Apple stock is down Wednesday, one day after the tech giant didn't show the last quarter growth investors were expecting. So now, even though Apple sold more than 40 million iPhones last quarter and comprises 92% of profits for the entire smartphone market, Wall Street still sees some flies in the ointment. For more details, WSJ Money Beat reporter Paul Vigna joins us now. Paul, great to have you.
Tanya, good to see you. How are you?
Let me get something straight here.
Yeah.
Investors are turned off by a company that made $11 billion in profit over the last 3 months.
Right. Yeah, $10.7 billion, nearly $11 billion in 3 months. Any other company on the planet would kill for that kind of profit. I mean, it's just unbelievable. And what it really shows is how far the expectations for Apple are removed from everybody else, right?
Well, you spoke with a lot of industry insiders, industry leaders. What did they say? They remain optimistic.
Yeah,
right?
they remain. And look, no one is. The stock is down, but no one is slagging this company. I mean, this is an incredibly profitable company. They make a product that does incredible, as you pointed out at the top, incredibly well within their market. It's unbelievable how much of the profit of the entire smartphone market that they get. So most of Wall Street is still bullish on this stock. The problem isn't, is Apple profitable? The problem is, how much is it profitable? How much over expectations? When we're talking about the stock specifically, you are literally just talking about an expectations game. No one thinks a company is going to do well. It's just a question of how well.
So did analysts say they thought the stock was a little overvalued to begin with?
No, not really.
Not at all.
Not really, and most of them see it still going up. The real question, if you want to give a question, the real question is: this is a company that has really made its reputation on finding new markets, identifying them before people even know they're there, coming out with a product that nobody knows they wanted, and within a very quick matter of time becomes completely ubiquitous, and everyone needs to have it. And that question right now revolves, and this is again, if you want to quibble, it revolves around the Apple Watch.
Right, whether that's going to live up to
They launched it. They didn't break out the numbers for sales specifically of the watch. That has some people concerned that sales weren't as good as they thought they would be, or it's not doing as well as everyone hoped it would. And when you're talking about a stock that has a company that has built such a reputation on coming out regularly with the new magical revolutionary product, that's got a lot of, some people a little bit concerned.
But look, with stock down now and analysts still bullish on Apple, is this a buying opportunity?
I mean, everything's a buying opportunity. Look, the issue is not, is this company going to do well? The issue is, how much is this company going to grow over the next 6 months, 12 months, year, 3 years down the road, depending on whatever your time frame is. Most people think that this company is still going to grow. The only question is how much is it going to grow? So that's where you're placing your bet if you want to do it.
Right. All right, Paul, thank you so much for that.
Happy to do it, Tanya.